Companies of every size in nearly every industry are embracing the cloud for cost optimizations, faster time to market, and other tangible business benefits. And while any developer on a team with access to an AWS account can spin up a new environment, managing the complexity across your hybrid cloud is much more challenging. To achieve the full benefits of the cloud and move at the speed that business requires, you need automation. That's where Red Hat can help. With Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform Service, you can define, deploy, and manage a wide variety of AWS services. Through a single management interface, you can easily see and understand what's running and where. You can automate cloud operations and coordinate and optimize your infrastructure. And when it comes to hosting your automation, you have options. With Red Hat's self-managed offering on AWS, you can deploy Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform Service on AWS and manage it yourself. That means you purchase the subscription through the marketplace and control the installation, upgrades, patching, scaling, and other operational tasks. Or you can launch Red Hat's managed service directly from the AWS marketplace, have the legwork taken care of for you, and start automating right away. Red Hat Ansible Automation Platform Service on AWS is actively supported by Red Hat Site Reliability Engineers, so you can focus on automating your IT resources and easily scale as you run more automation. Red Hat manages, services, and supports the control plane of Ansible Automation Platform, so your team can focus on delivering automation strategies for more agile and efficient business operations. Innovation is built on automation. Get started today with Ansible Automation Platform Service on AWS. Learn more. Contact us today.